Narva Full Travel Guide. Are you ready to explore a city where history and nature beautifully intertwine? Discover Narva in Estonia, where Russian heritage meets European influences in a stunning blend. Wander through the ancient Narva castle, explore the banks of the Narva River that separates Estonia and Russia, and learn how this city transformed from a historic battleground to a cultural bridge attracting visitors from around the world. Watch the video to uncover the secrets and unique charm of Narva. Welcome to our channel. If you love traveling and discovering capital cities around the world, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take you on a quick and exciting tour to explore Narva, one of the most beautiful and fascinating capitals. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and give it a thumbs up. The history of Narva. Narva, a city steeped in history, lies on the eastern border of Estonia, separated from Russia by the Narva River. Its strategic location has made it a significant site of trade, conflict, and cultural exchange for centuries. Early beginnings and medieval times. Narva's history dates back to at least the 13th century when it became a part of the Danish Duchy of Estonia. The city's medieval heart, Narva Castle, was constructed in the late 13th century by the Danes. This castle, also known as Hermann Castle, remains one of the most iconic landmarks in Narva. In the 14th century, Narva came under the control of the Livonian Order, a branch of the Teutonic Knights. The city flourished as a trading hub due to its position on the Narva River, serving as a vital link between the Baltic Sea and inland Russia. Swedish rule and the Great Northern War. The 16th century saw Narva becoming a part of the Swedish Empire after the Livonian War. Under Swedish rule, the city experienced significant development, including fortification enhancements. The Narva bastions, built during this period, are a testament to the military significance of the city. Narva played a crucial role during the Great Northern War, 1700 to 1721. In 1700, the Battle of Narva saw Swedish forces, led by King Charles XII, achieving a remarkable victory against the larger Russian army. However, by 1704, the city fell to the Russians under Tsar Peter the Great, marking the beginning of Russian dominance in the region. Russian Empire and industrialization. Throughout the 18th and 19th centuries, Narva was part of the Russian Empire. The city became an important industrial center, particularly known for its textile industry. The Kreenholm Manufacturing Company, established in 1857 on Kreenholm Island, was one of the largest textile factories in Europe and a major employer in the region. World Wars and Soviet era. Narva faced significant destruction during World War II. The city was heavily bombed, and fierce battles between Soviet and German forces in 1944 led to extensive damage. The post-war period saw Narva as part of the Soviet Union, with efforts to rebuild and industrialize the city. During the Soviet era, Narva's population grew, and the city became a center for Russian-speaking communities. The Soviet influence remains evident in the city's architecture and cultural landscape. Modern Narva. With Estonia's independence in 1991, Narva became a part of the newly sovereign nation. The city has since worked on restoring its historical sites and integrating its diverse cultural heritage. Today, Narva stands as a symbol of resilience and cultural amalgamation, offering visitors a unique glimpse into the confluence of Estonian and Russian influences. Narva's history is a testament to its strategic importance and cultural significance. From medieval battles to industrial prowess, and from wartime devastation to modern revival, Narva continues to captivate with its rich and multifaceted heritage. Top tourist attractions in Narva. Narva is a city rich in history and culture, offering a variety of attractions that highlight its unique blend of Estonian and Russian influences. Here are some of the must-see tourist attractions in Narva. Narva Castle. Hermann Castle. One of the city's most iconic landmarks, Narva Castle dates back to the 13th century. The castle has a fascinating history and now houses the Narva Museum, which offers exhibits on the city's history and culture. The castle's tower provides stunning views of the Narva River and the Ivangorod Fortress across the river in Russia. Narva River Promenade. This scenic walkway along the Narva River offers picturesque views and is perfect for a leisurely stroll. The promenade features modern sculptures, parks, and places to relax and enjoy the surroundings. The view of the Narva Castle and the Ivangorod Fortress from the promenade is particularly striking. Narva bastions. These 17th-century fortifications were built during the Swedish rule to defend the city. The bastions are well preserved and offer a glimpse into Narva's military history. The Victoria Bastion, which has underground passages open to visitors. Dark Garden, Pimead. A historic park located near Narva Castle, the Dark Garden is a lovely green space perfect for relaxation and walks. The park also features a memorial to those who died in the battles for Narva. The tranquil atmosphere and the historic significance of the park. Narva's attractions offer a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty, making it a fascinating destination for travelers interested in exploring the confluence of Eastern and Western influences. Travel tips for visiting Narva. Visiting Narva offers a unique opportunity to experience the cultural crossroads of Estonia and Russia. To make the most of your trip, consider the following travel tips. 1. Getting there. By train. Narva is accessible by train from Tallinn, with several daily departures. The journey takes around 2.5 hours. By bus. Buses from Tallinn and other major Estonian cities are frequent and affordable. The trip from Tallinn takes about 3 hours. By car. Driving to Narva is straightforward, and the road conditions are generally good. Renting a car can also give you flexibility to explore the surrounding areas. 2. Accommodation. Hotels. Narva offers a range of hotels from budget to mid-range. Booking in advance can secure better rates and availability. Guesthouses. Consider staying in a local guesthouse for a more personal experience and insight into Estonian hospitality. 3. Language. Estonian and Russian. Estonian is the official language, but Russian is widely spoken in Narva due to its significant Russian-speaking population. Learning a few basic phrases in both languages can be helpful. English. Younger people and those in the tourism industry often speak English, but it might not be as common among older residents. 4. Currency. Euro. Estonia uses the euro. Credit and debit cards are widely accepted, but it's a good idea to carry some cash for small purchases and in case you visit more rural areas. 5. Safety. Narva is generally safe for tourists. As with any city, be mindful of your belongings and avoid poorly lit areas at night. Border area. Narva is a border city, so always carry your passport or ID. Be aware of the regulations if you plan to cross into Russia, as you will need a visa. 6. Weather. Seasonal tips. Narva experiences cold winters and mild summers. Dress in layers during winter, November to March, as temperatures can drop significantly. Summer, June to August, is more pleasant, but it's always good to carry a light jacket. Rain. Rain is possible throughout the year, so packing an umbrella or a raincoat is advisable. 7. Connectivity. Internet. Free Wi-Fi is available in many public places, hotels, and cafes. Consider getting a local SIM card for reliable mobile internet access. Roaming. If you're traveling from within the EU, check with your mobile provider about roaming charges as they might be lower due to EU regulations. Narva offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. With these tips, you'll be well prepared to enjoy everything this fascinating city has to offer. The culture of Narva. Narva, situated on the eastern border of Estonia, is a city where cultures converge, creating a unique and vibrant cultural landscape. The city's culture is deeply influenced by its history, geography, and diverse population. Here are some key aspects of Narva's culture. 1. Multicultural heritage. Russian influence. Due to its proximity to Russia and historical ties, Narva has a significant Russian-speaking population. This influence is evident in the city's language, cuisine, festivals, and daily life. Estonian roots. While the Russian influence is strong, Narva remains an integral part of Estonia, and Estonian culture is also prominent. The coexistence of these cultures creates a unique cultural tapestry. 2. Festivals and events. Narva Opera Days. This annual event brings together opera lovers and performers from across Europe, showcasing classical music and opera in the historic setting of Narva Castle. Narva Energy Run, a popular sporting event that attracts runners from all over the region, promoting health and community spirit. Independence Day celebrations. Both Estonian Independence Day, February 24th, and Victory Day, June 23rd, are celebrated with parades, concerts, and public gatherings, reflecting the city's national pride. 3. Art and literature. Narva Art Gallery. The city's art gallery hosts exhibitions featuring local and international artists, contributing to Narva's vibrant art scene. Literary traditions. Narva has produced several notable writers and poets, and literature continues to play an important role in the city's cultural life.
4. Cuisine.
Narva's food scene reflects its multicultural heritage, combining Estonian and Russian flavors. Traditional dishes like pelmeni, dumplings, borscht, beet soup, and black bread are staples. Visitors can enjoy local delicacies and modern interpretations of traditional recipes in the city's cafes and restaurants. 5. Religion. Orthodox and Lutheran churches. The city is home to several beautiful churches, including the Resurrection of Christ Cathedral, Orthodox, and the Alexander's Cathedral, Lutheran, reflecting the religious diversity of the population. Religious festivals and traditions are celebrated with enthusiasm, adding to the city's cultural vibrancy. Narva's culture is a dynamic blend of influences, creating a city that is both historically rich and vibrantly modern. The harmonious coexistence of different cultures and traditions makes Narva a unique and fascinating destination for anyone interested in exploring the cultural crossroads of Estonia. We hope you enjoyed our tour of Narva. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you visited this city or if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more videos about the most beautiful capitals around the world. See you in the next video. Happy travel!